In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front plate bracket on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Now, if you have an old plate bracket, you may have rivets holding it on. You're going to have to drill those out. I'm just going to use the drill bit and drill those out. Now I'm going to use a punch and hammer out the rest of the rivets. Now you want to take the plate bracket, line it up. You can get it lined up with the center of the vehicle, and you can make some marks. Just take a marker, then you take it down. You want to drill the holes the same size as the rivets. These are already drilled, so we don't have to do that. Get these lined up. And take a rivet gun, make sure you push on the plate bracket. And just set the rivets. Now you can put your plate on, take the two Phillips head screws, and screw it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.